In real business, when you want to buy goods from supplier, it has three processes. 1. You raise purchase order and send it to the supplier. When you receive the goods from supplier, you raise receipt note. When you receive the bill from the supplier, you raise purchase invoice in Tally. Hi friends, today let us learn about purchase order, receipt note and purchase invoice. In real business, when you want to buy goods from a supplier, it takes 3 steps. First, you raise a purchase order mentioning item which you want, the price and the date of supply, and you will send it to the supplier. Second, when you receive the goods from the supplier, you raise a receipt note, or GRN we will call it as, it is goods receipt note. And third, when you receive the bills from the supplier, you raise a purchase invoice in Tally. Now let us do some practicals. Now let us go to vouchers, press enter. Now here you can see purchase, and behind that one small arrow is there. Click on that. You can see purchase, receipt note and purchase order. And purchase order is not activated. Let us activate this purchase order. Go back by pressing escape. Escape, and now go to chart of accounts, enter. Go to voucher type, enter. Select purchase order. Press enter. Come down. Here you can see activate this voucher type. Say yes. Press enter and press Ctrl A to save this activation. Come back by pressing escape key. Go to vouchers, press enter and click on this arrow beside this purchase. Now you can see the purchase order has been activated. Click on this. See here, on the top left hand corner it is mentioned as purchase order. Now here purchase order number is here, automatically it comes, and party account name, press spacebar. It will give the list of the suppliers. You can select anyone. If it is new supplier, you can create it. Here, create, you can click it here. We will select Shubham Sales now. And mode of payment, if you know, you can enter it. Check, bank, whatever it is, press enter. And dispatch through, if you know, you can enter it. Otherwise, leave it blank. You can enter it, the dispatch through lorry, transport and destination. All these things you can enter it. Press enter. Here the supplier detail. Press enter. And here order number, the same will appear, 3. If you want to change, you can do it. I will keep it as it is. Purchase ledger, select purchase account. Here you have to select name of the item, press spacebar. I will select mobile. Here you have to enter the due date. 30 days I will enter. 30 days from the date of this order. And here go down, press spacebar. You can select the go down where you want to receive the material. I will say showroom. Press enter. Quantity I will type 20. And here 18,000 each I will type. Press enter. Press enter, automatically the amount appears. Press enter and leave it as it is. Come down and if you have any narration you can enter it, or press enter to accept. And now the purchase order has been saved. Press page up key to retrieve it again. Okay, now you can go to print. Now select preview. Now this is the purchase order which we have entered. You can send it to the supplier. Zoom it. You can see all the details over here. Purchase order number, purchase order date, and these are all blank because we have not fill it up in the purchase order. If you fill it up all this detail in the purchase order, it will appear here. And here is the supplier name, item and HSN code, and due date means within 30 days the supplier has to supply the material, quantity, rate and amount. Go down and this is the purchase order. You can send it directly to the supplier. Press escape key to come back. Go back to gateway of Tally. Now go to display more reports. Press enter. Go to statement of inventory. Press enter. Go to purchase order outstandings and select stock item. Press enter and select mobile. See, this is the purchase order we have entered now. 20 numbers mobiles, 18,000 rupees each, and total value here. Come back by pressing escape key. Go to ledger. Ledger, this is supplier wise detail it will give. And Shubham sales. Yeah. Here, see Shubham sales on the top. Here, what is the pending order from him? Press escape key. And if you have more than one item, you can enter, select all order and press enter. It will give all the details. Supplier wise, item wise, everything it will give. This is how we can see the pending order reports. Come back by pressing escape key. Now let us go to vouchers. Press enter. Here on the back of this purchase, one small arrow is there. You click on that. Here receipt note is there. We have to activate it now. So come back by pressing escape key. Go to chart of accounts. Go to voucher types. Select receipt note. Press enter. Press enter. Here you see activate this voucher type. Make it yes. Press enter and press Ctrl A to save this. Come back. Go to vouchers. Now you click on this arrow. You can see receipt note. Yeah. Here you can see receipt note. Now receipt note number is also automatically appears. And party name you select Shubham sales. This we have to enter when we receive the material. And here the purchase order number you can link it. Press enter and you can fill all this. Press enter receipt document number if you have, you can enter. You can enter all this according to your business. And this you can enter it. If you want any changes, you can make it. Here select purchase account. See, automatically it appears. It is pulling it from the purchase order. Press enter and you can link this order. Here when you are receiving, you can select the go down where you are receiving it. I keep it as it is. Press enter and keep it as it is. This, if you have any details, you can enter this. Dispatch from Bangalore, anything, whatever details you have according to your business, you can enter it. Press enter to save it. Come back by pressing escape key. Now let us go to display more reports. Press enter. Go to statement of inventory. Select purchase order outstanding. Press enter. Go to ledger. Press enter. Go to Shubham sales. Press enter. Now here press F12. Here show order booked, make it yes. Show clear orders, make it yes. Here show stock items with 0 quantity, and here you select detailed. Press enter to accept it. Now it shows, see here, from Shubham sales we have order booked 20 numbers, rate, amount, and here you see order cleared 20 numbers 18,000 and pending order is 0. This is how we can see the pending order reports. Press escape to come back. We have finished purchase order entry and receipt note. Now we will go to purchase bill entry. Click it over here or press F9. Now you can see the purchases. Supplier invoice number if you have, you can enter it. Supplier invoice date if you have, you can enter it. Party name, select Shubham sales. And order number you can select it because we have already ordered it. And enter all the reports. Receipt note, document number, dispatch through, destination, everything you can enter according to your business. And these details, if you have any changes, you can make or enter it. Press enter. See, automatically it takes from the purchase order. Press enter. This is the order. It automatically shows. And showroom, if you want, you can change it by pressing space bar. It will appear. All the godowns it will appear. You can enter it wherever you want. You can select it. I will select warehouse. Press enter and press enter. Keep it as it is. Now you select, this is the invoice, we have to select tax. See GST, automatically it takes. And yes, GST. Come down. And and this, if you want, you can enter it all the details. I'll keep it as it is. New reference, because we have not paid any advance or anything, so we will keep it as new reference. Press enter to save it. Come back by pressing escape key. Friends, I hope you have learnt all the purchase cycles, 3 steps: purchase order, receipt note and purchase invoice. Friends, if this video was useful, please like and share it with someone who is learning Tally. And today's your task is create a full purchase cycle in your Tally for a product in your business, that is raise purchase order, record receipt note and then enter the purchase invoice. After entering all this, you check all the reports to confirm the correctness. If you have any question, drop them in the comment. I read every single one. Thank you, friends. Let us meet in the next video with sales order, delivery note and the same concept with selling perspective. Don't miss it. Thank you so much.